Hi all, my name is Amandeep Singh and this is my third tutorial on iOS development. My today's topic is variable and constants in Swift. I am using Xcode Playground to check variable and constants in action. To create a new playground, just navigate to File, New, and you can create a new playground. For this tutorial, as I already created a playground, so let's get started. In Swift, variables and constants are used to store and reference values. Variables are declared with var keyword and constants are declared with let keyword. Let's start with variables. A variable is a mutable storage location. Mutable means its value can be changed. So if we look over here, we have a variable with initial value 10 which later on updated to 11. So if we print the final value, see, it would print the updated value. Now let's move on to constants. A constant is an immutable storage location. Immutable means its value cannot be changed. So if we try to change a constant value, so see, compiler would give the error. So let's delete it and print it. So constant have a constant value which cannot be changed. The third topic is type inference. So Swift has a powerful type inference system, which means compiler will automatically detect the type of the variable. So here we declared 42, so it would automatically infer it as integer. Here we declare a constant with a string, it would automatically infer it as string. Let's move on to fourth topic, which is naming convention. In Swift, we generally follow camel casing. Thanks. Happy learning.